guys, I need you to continue watching to see how I installed this wig with these kinky edges. Stay tuned. So I received this wig from Ilike Hair Company, and in the package, I'm just going to show you guys what I got. I received a card and it had like a promotion on the back. I got a wig cap, a tail comb, an edge control brush, and some clips. I also got an adjustable band for the wig, and of course the wig itself. So this is how the wig looks. It had these like realistic kinky edges for those that like a natural style, and the hair was kinky itself. So this is called their Hyperrealism Kinky Edge Lace Frontal Wig. Inside the wig, it had 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the back. Of course, it came with the adjustable bands, and also it had these 2 little hooks on the sides for the adjustable band to attach to as well. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig and also the outside. You can see how curly and realistic the edges are, and the hair texture itself basically matches as well. So that was like amazing. When I felt this hair, guys, the hair was so soft. When I say soft, I mean literally my hands were like sliding through the hair. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig to show you guys this look. Alright guys, so I braided my hair back into 6 straight backs, and I'm just going in with my got2b free spray, and I'm spraying my hairline and brushing away any hairs that are in my way. You want to make sure everything is out the way so you have a seamless install. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer to the inside portion of the frontal. And I'm just using one of my makeup brushes, and I'm just putting it all over the lace. You always want to make sure you go ahead and cut this little back portion lace. You really don't need it for anything. So I always go ahead and just cut that, get it out the way. Then I'm going to be using the comb at the back and sticking it right in the middle of the back of my head and pulling my wig up. That way I know it's centered. So you always want to measure the frontal, make sure it fits your head properly, and then you'll go in and cut off the tabs at the sides. Do you guys see how this blends so nicely? It's so weird. Like, this is my first time trying a wig like this, but these wigs do not fail to amaze me. But yeah, let's continue with this install. So now I'm just creating a middle part. I will be using my Ebin adhesive spray. So you want to just make sure that the edges are combed out a bit so it doesn't get too stuck the way it is like out the package. So I just comb through it a bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray my hairline. So once I've sprayed my hairline, I'm going in with my Paris hair melt band and I'm just going to lay it down and allow it to dry. So once the hair is drying, I'm just going to use my flat iron. This is the Babyliss Nano Titanium 3000 flat iron, and I'm just gonna go through and flat iron this entire wig. Alright guys, so you can see the difference between the flat iron side and the side that I didn't flat iron. So I'm just going in with my Paris hair wax stick and I'm just parting the front section in portions. And I'm using my wax stick and I'm placing it on the root area and I'm just going over it with my hot comb. And that just allows it to lay flatter. So you will see the difference. So guys, as you can see, one side is puffier, one side is flatter. So you want to make sure you go ahead with that hot comb and press it through. So once that's finished, I'm going to take off my melt band and I'm going to start cutting off the excess lace. You also want to comb out the baby hairs because it would have gotten stuck. It would have gotten stuck with this adhesive spray. So make sure you go ahead and comb it through. So when cutting the lace, I use my scissors to make a split and then I go ahead and use my razor just to give it like a more zigzag edgy shape for it to look more realistic, because it's hard to do the little zigzag sometimes with the scissors, so I like going in with the razor. Alright, so once I've cut off all the lace, I'm going back in with my Ebin adhesive spray and I'm just spraying down the hairline. And I'm going to tie it back again with my melt band and leave it to dry. So guys, I decided I wanted to do a little side part. So I'm just trying to part the hair and see where exactly it was going to go. That way I could flat iron it and hot comb it in the direction that I want it to be. So right now I'm just looking for a part and molding my hair. So guys, now that my hairline is dry, I'm just removing the melt band. Once again, I'm going and I'm combing out the edges. Now I don't have to lay no edges. I don't have to flat iron any edges, nothing like that. Literally just combing them out and making it just look realistic. So I went back in with my makeup brush and I just decided to dab some of the concealer that was left on the brush onto the lace. And I also had a part that was lifting, so I just sprayed it and dried it at the same time. But this is basically how it's looking. I'm just spraying some of my gloss spray onto the hair as always, because once it's done you want it to look nice and silky. So yeah, I love that spray. But this is basically how the hair looks. It was super natural. The hair was super full. Of course, it's kinky hair, so it is going to be full. But yeah, how are you guys liking this kinky edges look? What do you guys think about this new trend that's going on? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about it. But yeah, shout out to Ilike Hair Company for sponsoring this video. All the hair details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys learned something. And also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me at Nae.Simone. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.